Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today, let me introduce you this AKIYO O1 Beamer. It's a small Full HD 1080p supported device with 50% of zoom possibility. We have 10,000 lumen and a portable outdoor projector for iOS, for Android, so smartphones, Beamer for home theater, and is compatible with, as I said before, smartphone and of course HDMI, USB, television stick, and it comes with a tripod. It's available in gray and it's available in black. Of course, the entire body is already white, I think, and only a part of it will be gray or black. You can choose that color. Each projector has a 360 degrees rotatable tripod. This mini beamer has a native resolution of 1020p and supports full HD 1080p. The 2025 upgraded device increased the brightness to 10,000 lumens, ensuring a bright and clear cinema image. The 6000:1 contrast ratio faithfully reproduced the color. So nice. The advanced LED eye protection technology reduces the effects of blue light and direct light, effectively prevent the eye fatigue. And iOS device no longer need an HDMI adapter. That's cool, because the updated O1 projector connects to iOS devices with only Lightning or USB-C to USB-C cable. Easy access to HD images without latency. This AKIYO portable mobile phones protector and projector supports front, back, and ceiling projection. Of course, note that due to the copyright restrictions, they recommended that we play streaming videos such as Netflix, Prime Video, and Hulu via our television stick or via our other edited by HDMI edited or, of course, the smartphone edited devices. That's cool because this makes this smart. We have a 250 inches large screen possibility and the possibility of 50% of zoom and electronic trapezoid correction. We enjoy the cinema experience of a 250 inches large screen at home. The recommended size is of course not 250. The best size I think is between 30 and 150 degrees. Inches, combined with the 50 up to 100% of zoom level. We can change the image size without moving the projector. The new electronic trapezoidal correction of +/- 50 degrees allows us to obtain a perfect rectangle with the remote control. A 360 degrees tripod is included to meet the requirements of different projection angles. The projector measurement is only 5.3 to 3.4 to 2.8 inches and weighs only 420 grams. So it is easy to hold for vacation, for outdoor, but not, of course, it's not waterproof, so take care of it, but it's possible to use that outdoor. The simple but elegant design of this projector is ideal for all kind of movie nights. Yeah, popcorn is ready for that. This portable projector is easily packed in a backpack. It's perfect for outdoor movie nights, barbecue parties, camping trips with the family, and so on. And the projector has the latest high-efficiency cooling technology and a fan that is 50% quieter than other projectors on the market. Multiple input ports to meet the need of our different devices. It can connect it to personal computer, Fire Stick, PlayStation, Xbox as shown in that video, smartphone as shown in that video, and external speakers without installing any kind of app. AKIYO O1 Mini Projector. This is the 2025 new upgraded mini beamer. The AKIYO has set itself the goal of providing its customers like us with projectors that are easy to use and affordable. They sincerely hope that all families can enjoy their home theater anytime and anywhere. This is either for indoor and outdoor activities and entertainment. We have here a nearly palm size, as small as a Coke can. Its weight only 420 gram. No pressure to carry it outdoor. It is the smallest HD projector on the market, I think. The cinema-like viewing experience brings that 2025 brightness super cross level has been increased to 10,000 lumens. We can watch movies with the AKIYO projector with a family and friends. And no noise. The projector is barely noticeable at a distance of 1 meter. The noise level of the projector upgraded with the AKIYO is significantly lower than with other LCD projectors on the market. And we have ultra low power consumption, because the power consumption of that mini projector is less than 38 watt, and it is therefore significantly lower than the other projectors, effectively power saving and energy saving too. The AKIYO makes a good job. Only 420 gram, 20 up to 250 inches projection size. Zoom factor 50 up to 100%. Trapeze correction plus minus 50 degrees, and manual correction plus minus 20 degrees. Installing with tripod, it supports front rear ceiling bracket, and a built-in hi-fi dual 3-watt speaker is included. So you have everything for the next popcorn time. This is the AKIYO O1 Mini Beamer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.